Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and my personal search for the perfect purple eyeshadow is now over, thanks to the fact that I found this Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Freebird. Because I have brown eyes, I have always been drawn to purple eyeshadow, but I have found it super challenging to find the right shade. They're often too dark or too light or too shimmery or too matte, but this purple eyeshadow is just right. It has a really beautiful sheer shimmer to it without being harshly sparkly. The color is absolutely stunning. It is this perfectly vibrant mid-tone purple. The color payoff from this eyeshadow is amazing. It's really pigmented, so I don't need to be double dipping and constantly going back over my shadow to get that color pop that I'm looking for. It has a silky smooth texture and it applies really evenly over my eyelids. I love to wear this eyeshadow completely by itself, but it's also great to add for some more complex layered makeup looks. This purple eyeshadow is so fun and feminine. It's great for everyday wear, and I know it's going to be making it on my regular rotation. And that's my point of view.